Hello, my name is Nikki Agina and welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Right now I am currently from school and I have decided to do a quick video about drinking tea. So let's begin.
Good. So when you're drinking tea, hey, hi there, hi guys. I'm behind the video. When you're drinking tea, you say amado chai. So I want to drink tea translates to Adwa mado chai. So say that.
Adwa mado chai.
Adwa mado chai. So tea is chai and the act of drinking tea is mado. So you remember the da, de, di, do, do, the M, so DHO is do. Adwa mado chai. So that means I want to drink tea. Okay, just bring out the next slide. Now the next slide is aolo chai e okombe. Aolo chai e okombe. So that means I'm pouring tea into a cup. So Nikki will take tea and pour it into a cup. Oh, that's water. It's okay. So I'm pouring tea into a cup. No, wait. We still have the other things.
Okay.
Then your next slide. Next slide is amedo sukari kod majan. So I want to add in some sugar and some tea leaves. Amedo sukari. Sukari is sugar, and I think that's universal. Some people say sukar, skari. So in Luo we say sukari. Kod majan. Majan is tea leaves. So she'll just med sukari. Med sukari. So that is medo sukari. That means adding tea, sugar. That's enough. And then med majan. Med majan. Okay. Wait. Take the slide. Yes. So that says arudo chai. So arudo chai means I want to stir the tea. So stir the tea. Stir it. Arudo chai. So after you have arudo chai, what do? Amado chai. So I really want to, now this is the act of drinking the tea. And Nikki says it's hot, so I just want to take some time and drink the tea. Oh, it's hot. So this is the part. Amado chai. So amado chai. Sweet. Amado chai. And then, if the tea is sweet, you say chai mate. Chai mate. And if someone served you the tea, then it's kind enough to say erokamano. It's kind enough to say erokamano. So quickly, let's just do this again. Let's bring this quickly. And we'll do another one. Just for the heck of it, we had 2 cups. There we go. We have 2 cups. So just bring that up, yeah. So you start by saying
Adwa mado chai.
Adwa mado chai, correct? Aolo chai e okombe. Say that.
Aolo chai e okombe.
So all chai e okombe. Aolo chai e okombe. Then the second thing, amedo sukari kod majan. What does that mean?
I'm adding sugar and
tea leaves.
Yes, tea leaves to the tea.
Med sukari. Nikki med sukari. Nikki add sugar. Nikki med sukari.
Nikki Okay, add sugar.
There you go. And then medmajan. Nikki medmajan. There you go. When I say Nikki medmajan, you say amedo majan. Nikki medmajan.
Amedo majan.
Then rud chai. Nikki rud chai.
Arud chai.
Arud chai.
Arud chai.
There you go. Let me see if it can be seen here. Arudo chai. Yeah. Nope. From the back. Arudo chai. Right here. Somewhere there. Arudo chai. And then?
Amado chai.
Amado chai. Okay? So, amado chai is the act of drinking the tea.
Yes.
Drink it now.
It's hot.
No, drink it, drink it. Just yasa. Drink it. There you go. Amado chai, okay? And then, the last one will be chai mate. So chai mate means?
The tea is sweet.
The tea is sweet. So it's sweet. And then once you served, your kind you should say?
Erokamano.
Erokamano. Erokamano means thank you. Wind up.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you have not subscribed and turned on your notification bell yet, please do. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, bye. Have a good day.